Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College.
Welcome students, Standard 5th and 6th, English Grammar, topic adverbs. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is adverbs. So let us see what is adverbs, children. Just look at this example. Sam sees many puppies outside. So here, sees is an action word. Sees means what? To see. Seeing is an action word. That means sees is a verb. What is verb, children? Verb means action. So sees is an action word. But what here, where is he seeing? He is seeing outside. So here outside is describing the action word. Outside is describing an action word, that is sees. That is why outside is an adverb. So what is an adverb, children? An adverb is a word which describes a verb or which tells more about the verb. Let us see one more example. I ate my dinner quickly. Now here ate, that means eating. Eating is an action word. And what it is telling more about eating? How did he eat his dinner? Quickly. So that means here it is telling about the verb that he ate quickly. It is telling more about the verb, or it is describing the verb, or we can say an action word. So quickly describes an action word, that is ate. That is why quickly is an adverb. Let us see one more example. My father came home early. Here came means to come, and coming is an action word. So came is a verb. What it is telling more about the verb? When did he come home? Early. So early is an adverb. Early is describing more about the verb, that is came. Children, you can see here, basically some of the adverbs, they end with ly. You can see the spelling early over here, it is ending with ly. I will not say that all the words end with ly, but most of the words, most of the adverbs end with ly. Now children, there is a confusion, between adverbs and adjectives. Let us see what is that confusion. See, always keep in the mind, you can come to know from the word itself, add verbs. Add verbs. So the word which is adding more to the verbs is called as adverbs. So ad is adding and verbs is, that means it is telling more about the verbs. So adverbs describe verbs, but adjectives describe nouns. Always keep in the mind, adverbs, they always describe about a verb, but adjective describe nouns. An adverb never describes a noun. Always keep this in mind. An adverb never describes a noun. Let us see what is the definition of an adverb again, children. An adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb. An adjective or other adverbs. So an adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb, an adjective or other adverbs. For example, brightly, carefully, outdoors, etc. Let us see the definition in detail. An adverb is a word that modifies. Modifies means what? Describes a verb. For example, he sings loudly. Singing is a verb, and how is he singing? Loudly. So loudly is an adverb. You can also see that ly is added to this adverb, that is loudly. So it describes a verb. It can also describe an adjective. For example, very tall. The boy is very tall. So is a verb here. Is means to be, and very tall is an adjective, but here it is telling us more about the verb, that is how is he is very tall. So very tall is an adverb over here. And how does it tells about another adverb to us? Ended too quickly. So it ended too quickly. Or even a whole sentence. Fortunately, I had brought an umbrella. So here, brought means to bring. Bring is a verb. And what it is telling us more about the verb? Fortunately. So fortunately is an adverb. You can also see that it is ending with ly. Adverbs often end in ly, but some, such as fast, look exactly the same as their adjective counterparts. Now see here, you have to write suitable adverbs for the verbs. Choose from the box. First one is sing confidently. Second one, what you will be writing, children, here? You can see from the picture and you can write, you can choose the correct adverb from the given box and write it down, children. Shine, you can see the sun, so shine brightly. Shine brightly, so brightly is an adverb. Then drink, how is the cat drinking, children, here? Drink greedily, she is drinking very greedily. So drink greedily. So greedily is an adverb. Play outdoors. Play outdoors. Where are they playing? Outdoors. That it is telling more about the verb play. So outdoors is an adverb over here because it is telling us more about the verb. Discuss anxiously. You can see their faces. What is the meaning of anxious? Anxious means to be worried. So you can see the tensions on their face. So that is why discuss anxiously. Anxiously here is an adverb. So an adverb describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb and answers the question which are given below. If you want to find an adverb, children, you can ask such questions. How? Easily, happily, loudly, quickly, quietly, sadly, silently, slowly. So these are all adverbs. You can ask the question how to it. How often? Always, every day, frequently, never, often, once, seldom, sometimes. When? That means when did she come? After 4 p.m., before, early, now, since, soon, today, yesterday. These are all adverbs. Where? Away, everywhere, here, home, inside, near, outside, there. So these are all adverbs over here. For example, the boy plays the drums loudly. So plays, it is a verb, and loudly is an adverb here because it is telling us more about the verb. That how is he playing? He is playing loudly, so loudly is an adverb. So students, adverb is a word that describes a verb and tells how, when and where. Example, the turtle walked slowly. How did the turtle walk? Slowly. So slowly is an adverb. Second, he went to the beach today. When did he go to the beach? Today. He went to the beach today. So today is an adverb. Third one, my dog ran over there. Where did my dog run? My dog ran over there. So the answer is there. Where did my dog run? Answer is there. So there is an adverb. Here students will see some more examples of adverbs. First one is the children love to play outside. Outside is an adverb. The manager accepted the challenge very nicely. So nicely is an adverb. The movie is starting now. Now is an adverb. When is the movie starting? The movie is starting now. So now is an answer. Now is an adverb. Alex never argues with me. So never is an adverb here. Samuel answered the question correctly. Correctly is an adverb here. You can also see ly, it is ending with ly. Correctly, this word is ending with ly. As I told you, most of the adverbs they end with ly. Next, she has to do the study voluntarily. Voluntary is an adverb. It is also ending with ly. She never flirts. Never. She never tells a lie. Never. So never is an adverb. Next one, they go out to dinner every week. Every is an adverb here. They run rarely in the summer. Rarely is an adverb. Students, here I have an exercise for you based on adverbs. Identifying adverbs. Circle the adverbs and underline the verbs that they describe. First one is, we finally got our grades from the test. So here, got. Got is a verb. That means got means what? To get. The main verb is to get. And what it is telling more about got? When did they get their grades? When did they get their grades? Finally. Finally is an adverb over here. So you are going to circle the adverb and underline the verb. What is the verb in the first sentence? Got. So this way children you are going to do for the other sentences also. Please do write in your notebook and do your homework. Students, we will stop here now and we will see the types of adverbs in the next video. Till then, bye. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Thank you once again. Thank you, students.